Welcome back. Goan Seamen Association of India will appoint a marine lawyer soon to solve the issues concerning Goan seamen in India and abroad. The association will open its new office in Madgaon with an aim to bring all Goan seamen under one roof.
Marine lawyer appoint करपा येवजिला की जरी तरी आमच्या सिमेनाक आमच्या इंडियेक जावं और इंडियेच्या भायर जावं कितेंय तरी इनजस्टीस जाता वो कितेंय तरी कंपनी तांकां फसयता वो कितेंय तरी तांकां बेनिफीट मेळपाचें तें मेळो ना जाल्यार तेणी तेंगे फॅमिलीन हिंगा गोंयांसानूच आमगे ऑफिसांत येवन आमकां सांगून आमच्यान तांकां डायरेक्ट करपा जाता.
Association is formed to bring all seamen together from all kinds of shipping companies regardless of any ranks on one forum. Association will also look for the retirement plan and medical benefits to all seamen.
हे आमी घडोवन हाडला सगळ्या गोंयकारां पासून for all Goan, for the welfare and for the well-being of Goan seamen, existing, retired, all kind of ranks. Unche rank, any kind of ship, passenger ship, cargo ship, container ship, merchant navy, everything.
A reporter from Madgaon, Sameer Bhatt.
Now the news from sports. Executive Director of Sports Authority of Goa, V.M. Prabhudesai, has slammed the Goa Board of Secondary and Higher Secondary Schools for creating confusion in sports policy provisions. While the sports policy was implemented without any problems in the last academic year, this year has ended in turmoil after the board came out with a circular to undermine the provisions of the policy.
Premeditated कशी action आसा, predetermined action आसा आनी ती खंयच्या तरी भुरग्यांचेर रिवेंज घेवपा खातीर तांचेर राग काडपा खातीर त्या भुरग्यांक बुद्ध शिकोवपा खातीर ही अशा पद्दतीचे हे सर्क्युलर किंवा अशा पद्दतीची सुओ मोटो आनी ऑब्जेक्शनेबल अशी एक्शन गोवा बोर्डान घेतल्या काय कितें असो ताका वास येवपाक लागिल्लो आसा. कांयच ऑब्जेक्शन घेनासतना ही जी स्पोर्ट्स पॉलिसी लास्ट इयर इम्प्लिमेंट करपाक आमकां आदार केल्लो आनी ते पासत जवळ जवळ हजारांनी भुरगे म्हाका दिसता 150 भुरगे SSC आनी 150 भुरगीं 12वीच्या परीक्षेक स्पोर्ट्स मेरीट मार्क्स घेवन पास जाल्लीं लास्ट इयर. त्या भायर शेकड्यांनी भुरग्यांनी स्पोर्ट्स मार्क्स घेवन आपली पर्संटेज वाडयल्ली. इतली बेस्ट बरी गजाल लास्ट इयर जाल्या आसतना ह्या वर्सा बोर्डान हें विघ्न कित्या खातीर केलें, कोणा खातीर केलें. दुसरी एक ऑब्जेक्शनेबल गजाल तांणी केल्ली आसा सर्क्युलरान ती म्हणल्यार हे जे स्पोर्ट्स मेरीट मार्क्स मेळटात 5 पासून जवळ जवळ 52 मार्कां पर्यंत ही ताची मार्कांची आमची हें आसा प्रोविजन आसा. तर हे मेळपी मार्क फकत ते एक्स्टरीक एक फुली दाखयतात आनी ताचे मार्क्स ते दाखयले वता मार्क लिस्टान. त्या मार्कांची एग्रिगेटा भितर ताचो सहभाग केलो वचना.
Watch the full interview of V.M. Prabhudesai in Simply Sport on Saturday. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
The Goa Football Association along with Root Sports Academy conducted a football festival for under-11 boys at Dulair Ground in Mapsa. This is the first major festival under the Australian Sports Outreach Program to boost youth development in state football.
The event promoted by Root Sports had participation by 8 teams, which includes 3 teams from outside Goa. Goa Football Association's ASOP centers from Aldona, Mandre, Anjuna and Thivi also took part in the 4-day festival. Coordinator of Root Sports, Bapaditya Bhattacharji, explained the idea behind the event.
The idea of this tournament is basically to get teams from different parts so that they can play at a young age and get a feel of what it is to compete with players from different playing areas, playing different states. Now that is where the whole tournament came into being. That is how it came into being. In Goa we have 5 teams from Goa. So we have the GFA which has assisted us in that. So we have the GFA Tivim, GFA Anjuna, GFA Madre and then GFA Aldona. And then we have the Goa United also. So these are the 5 teams. So total we have 8 teams. And we are playing in a league. It's a festival so there is no winners. So we are playing in all the teams are playing each other. So we have total of 7, each team plays 7 matches and it's spread off across 4 days. So we started on 26th was the first day and we end on 29th.
A reporter from Mapsa, Shamsundar Fatti.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.